Swami Vivekananda's appreciation of India was not trivial. First of all, he had extensive travels and first-hand encounter with people across the length and breadth of the country. He met Rajas, he met poor people, he lived in forests, he lived in villages. He went across the east, north, Himalayas, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Chennai, Madras, Kerala. He visited every part of the subcontinent. So in that sense, his understanding was first-hand. It was not a second-hand understanding based on some book. He knew what he was talking about because he had encountered and seen India. Secondly, he had encountered Sri Ramakrishna himself, and of whom he himself said that in 51 years lived the 5,000 years of national spiritual life. As many of you would be aware, Sri Ramakrishna himself had experienced all the core pathways of Indian religion, which had been built over 5,000 years, all in a single life, and in days, what people do in several lifetimes. So each one which is there, and so his encounter was with him, and with that, combined with this and his own spiritual realization, his understanding was India was very, very deep and powerful. And also, I think that his appreciation of India was further sharpened because he understood an alternative civilization like the West. When he went there, he could have started with India, but he very interestingly went to the West first. So he was not, purely in that sense, he had encountered the West in all its glory, not only in the Chicago Exposition, but he had met the kind of the creme de la creme of America and of Britain and even of France, some of them. So because of that, his appreciation of the West was also very deep. So when you sometimes understand yourself better when you also contrast it with others. So therefore, Swami Vivekananda's words have to be taken carefully, not only because who he was, but also because he had the necessary expertise and the experience and the knowledge and the training which is necessary to understand India.